for those who are wondering where I've been lately, I've been honestly taking some time to myself. I've been trying to prep for getting a job and even going through interviews. I can't say where or what for, and I have nothing confirmed yet, but it's good that, you know, this is getting underway because I need to get this ball rolling. And I'm really excited about all of that. But also I've been taking time out to read the Hunger Games trilogy, and I'm done with book 2. It sounds like there's a plane about to attack me, but it's literally, like, look at this. This is guy going nuts over there. He's just going nuts. Anyway, so, and there's a family behind me talking really loudly. Anyway, so I've been taking time out to read, and I got the second book done, and I'm really, really excited about talking about it. I'm going to make a video for my main channel, and I have a lot to say, but I'm going to let it sink in for a while, for a couple days before I do a video and then read the third book. But I'm glad I got it done before the second movie released. I want to make some predictions on differences between the book and the movie. That's, well, probable differences. I have to say though, in my opinion, it wasn't near as good of a read as I thought it was going to be. The first book was definitely better, but I guess I shouldn't be too surprised. Anyway, so I've gotten back into my reading roots to sort of relax and enjoy the company of a book. I think that books are amazing and can be a relaxing experience. And I've been straying away from them because it was my major and I had to read so many books I got burnt out. But now that that feeling has passed, I'm probably going to start reading a lot of books again and hopefully doing reviews each time I'm done with one. And so yeah, I just wanted to share that. I hope all is well with you all, and I will make more videos now that I'm pretty much done with the Hunger Games trilogy.